Nope, little Yanmar quit, and now we have to go and rescue it. I have to carry all my basic tools. I don't know yet what I need. We'll figure it out. I talked to the guys and they said it just quit like someone just turned it off. I cannot drive my service truck up here. Impossible. We're almost there. Little Yanmar stop on the way up and doesn't want to move, waiting for us. Let's see what we have. Oh, hood is open for us and we have a load. Look at that, lots of crash, pretty heavy, and machine was going up. Yanmar 3 cylinders diesel. Let's confirm the issue and yeah, go from there. That's cranking pretty good. Let's shut it off. You know what? I don't hear prime. I don't hear the lift pump kicking in. Yeah, quiet. Should be grrrr. All right, let's crank it again. Nope. I think we have a problem. We're not getting any fuel whatsoever, and someone might say, why you didn't check the fuel? That's right, because I was told. The machine has tons of fuel, and yeah, look at that. Up here, full, almost, like 7/8. All right, we don't have problem with that. And here's our lift pump. Here's our filter here. It's open. Here's another filter here. And you see, it looks like it has a fuel. And here's our injection pump. High pressure lines and injectors. Okay, next I'm going to check the power and ground at the lift pump. Make sure when we turn the key to the on position we have a power at the plug. As you can see, connector is over here. There's the 2 wires, red and black. Black is my ground and red is a ignition switch power to this pump. We'll check that and see what we have. Okay, I got my lift pump connector unplugged. As you can see, there's 2 pins and it was pretty tight. There's no slack whatsoever. Okay, this upper wire is my power, which is a horizontal, and yeah, terminals, they look dusty, hard to tell, and let's probe for the power. There's one small hidden compartment. Here we go, and batteries here. Let's connect our test lights straight to the battery negative. Alligator clip to the battery negative. Here we go. Let's check our equipment first. Make sure test light works by touching the battery positive terminal, and we have light lit. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to probe it when key is on that upper terminal. I'm not pushing, just touching to see if we have a power to the pump. Okay, I'm going to turn the key to the on position and see what we have. Camera is on. Let's turn key on position. The buzzer. And we don't have a, sorry for that buzzer, and I'm touching this terminal and I don't see any light lit. Nothing to the lift pump. Oh well, we have to find the power, why it's not there. Yanmar. Okay, let's look at our fuses, see if we have any issues with that. All right, and of course 100% pure Japanese language. I don't understand what they mean, but okay, let's pop the cover off like that, and yeah, let's go and check the fuses. Okay, this one's right from the start. See this fuse has a power on one side. You can see this red has power on one side and no power on another side. This one's blown. I have a blown fuse, as you can see here. That's why we don't have a power to our pump. Fuses, they don't blow on its own, but at least we can make it run and make it to the service truck. Okay, I have to go and get a fuse because I don't have one yet. I have to walk back. Okay, let's pop the new fuse. I hope we'll be able to walk this machine if it will start, and yeah, go from there. Okay, I'm back with the fuses. We need a 15 amp fuse. 15 amp fuses. There we go. I'm going to put a fuse, turn key into the on position, and then check for the power at the lift pump plug. And if fuse will blow it up, it means we possibly don't have a short in the pump. It might be somewhere before the pump, from the ignition, and in that sort of area. And yeah, let's plug it in. Let's put a fuse. Okay, let's check the power on one side and power on another side, as you can see here. And yeah, power is on both sides. Let's check the power at the plug here. And as you can see now, we have a power to the pump. So far, circuit integrity is okay. And let's plug it in a pump and yeah, hope for the best. I cleaned my terminal best as I could, and let's plug it in. That's the lift pump working. I can hear the relay clicking. Yeah, we have a juice. All right, there you go. We're running. debug it. Flip. Or, oh, not too bad. Actually, as you remember, we had a power on one leg of the fuse and nothing on another leg of the fuse, and that leg is powering that pump, and it means between the pump and a fuse box, most likely we have a short somewhere, or we just had an overload in the circuit and that blown the fuse. Yeah, see if it will act up. If not, that's fine. If it will, then we'll continue.